First, are looking to mirror your phone screen to PC just like this. See, there is no delay or lag. The screen mirroring is so smooth. Want to do the same but are not able to find best screen mirroring software for PC or the best way to mirror phone screen to PC for free? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading application from the links in description and pinned comment to learn how to mirror any phone screen to PC or laptop for free without any lag or delay. Hey folks, myself from WiFi back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to mirror phone to laptop for free using USB or Wi-Fi connection. The best part is that we can mirror Android phone to PC or iPhone to PC in 4K high resolution without any lag or delay. All you need is a USB cable or Wi-Fi connection and you are good to go. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to mirror Android phone to PC for free, and for this we will be using AnyMiro from imobie. AnyMiro lets us mirror mobile phone to laptop with rock solid connection that helps to mirror screen without any interruptions for non-stop 10 plus hours. And the best part is that you will not find any difference, as AnyMiro offers up to 4K high resolution audio visual streaming. With this we can mirror screen from iOS to PC or from Android to Mac. Even for iOS to Mac, it provides a better experience. Wow, that's just amazing. Let's give it a try. Simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit imobie AnyMiro official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading. Once imobie AnyMiro free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have AnyMiro with all its features and capabilities. We can use it to mirror iOS device like iPad or iPhone, or can also mirror Android devices like phone or tablet. First, from here in settings and then preferences, we can change screen mirroring settings. Simply choose a resolution with frame rate. We can change resolution to 4K and frame rate to up to 60 fps, or can also choose original resolution. Now let's know how to mirror Android phone to PC for free, and for this here we are back on AnyMiro. Now as I am going to mirror Android phone to laptop, selected Android. Next, here we have options to choose USB cable or Wi-Fi connection. First, I will suggest you to choose USB cable for a smooth experience, and for that we need to connect Android phone via USB. Next, it will ask us to enable USB debugging. Follow the steps to enable USB debugging. Open settings and then scroll down to about phone. Now tap to open it. Now tap on software information. Next, tap 7 times on build number to enable developer mode. Next, go back and here we have developer options now. Tap to open it. Now scroll down and here we have USB debugging. Toggle this on. Here comes a pop-up allow USB debugging. Tap on OK. Next, we will get allow USB debugging authorization pop-up. Check this and then tap allow. Now our Android phone gets connected. Within seconds, it starts to cast Android screen to PC or laptop. Now whatever we do on our mobile screen will mirror on computer screen. Let's open gallery and scroll through some pictures. See, there is no lag or delay in screen mirroring. It's all real time without any delay. Now if you open a video on mobile and play it, see here we are mirroring is on laptop and there is no lag or interruptions. Quality of screen mirroring is so smooth and stable. We can also play a game to stream mobile games on PC, and if you want to know how to stream mobile games on PC, then you should watch this video from my channel. If you want to live stream mobile games on PC. The best part, AnyMiro offers simultaneous audio and video mirroring, which makes AnyMiro the best screen mirroring software for mobile gamers. Wow, that was so smooth and easy to mirror phone to laptop using USB for free. The best part is that you can simply get yourself registered and you can mirror your phone screen to PC, be it Windows or Mac, for up to 40 minutes for free. Wow, that's just amazing. But what if you are a professional that requires to mirror your phone screen or stream your phone screen for more than 40 minutes? Well then, in this situation, you should upgrade to AnyMiro Pro that offers unlimited streaming or mirroring without any watermark. And for that, choose a plan as per your requirement. Here we have monthly, quarterly or yearly plans. Well folks, here is an exclusive offer for you all. Wow, that's a huge deal. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment to try out AnyMiro if you are looking to mirror phone screen to PC or laptop for free. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Development Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Do you want to live stream mobile games on PC in 4K quality? If yes, then this video is for you. First, watch this step-by-step tutorial to know how to record a screen on laptop and share it with others.